Having dental crowns placed is a common dental procedure that many people undergo at some point in their lives. Whether it's to repair a damaged tooth, improve the appearance of a smile, or protect a weakened tooth, dental crowns play an important role in maintaining oral health. However, many people may wonder what the recovery process is like after getting dental crowns. In this video, we will explore what to expect during the recovery process after getting dental crowns. What are dental crowns? Before we dive into the recovery process, let's first discuss what dental crowns are. Dental crowns are tooth-shaped caps that are placed over a tooth to restore its shape, size, strength, and appearance. They are often used to protect a weakened tooth, cover a dental implant, hold a dental bridge in place, or cover a misshapen or discolored tooth. Dental crowns can be made from a variety of materials, including metal, porcelain, or a combination of both. The recovery process. After getting dental crowns, it is normal to experience some discomfort and sensitivity in the days following the procedure. This is why it is important to know what to expect during the recovery process so that you can prepare yourself accordingly. 1. Pain and sensitivity. It is common to experience some pain and sensitivity in the tooth and surrounding area after getting dental crowns. This is because the tooth may be slightly sensitive to hot and cold temperatures and pressure. Over-the-counter pain medications can help alleviate any discomfort, and you can also rinse your mouth with warm salt water to reduce inflammation. 2. Avoid hard or sticky foods. While your dental crowns are healing, it is important to avoid hard or sticky foods that could potentially damage the crowns or cause them to come loose. Stick to soft foods that are easy to chew, and avoid chewing on the side of the mouth where the dental crowns are located. 3. Practice good oral hygiene. It is important to continue practicing good oral hygiene after getting dental crowns. Brush your teeth twice a day and floss regularly to prevent any plaque or bacteria buildup around the crowns. Be gentle when brushing and flossing around the crowns to avoid damaging them. 4. Follow-up appointments. Your dentist will likely schedule a follow-up appointment to check on the healing process of your dental crowns. During this appointment, your dentist will ensure that the crowns are fitting properly and that there are no signs of infection or complications. 5. Be patient. It is important to be patient during the recovery process after getting dental crowns. It may take some time for your mouth to adjust to the new crowns, and any discomfort or sensitivity should improve within a few days to a week. Overall, the recovery process after getting dental crowns is relatively straightforward and should not cause too much discomfort. By following these tips and taking proper care of your dental crowns, you can ensure a smooth and successful recovery process. If you have any concerns or questions about your dental crowns, be sure to consult with your dentist for guidance and advice.